Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Mazda CX-9. We're going to start right away up front where you have the front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Inside, leather interior. Second and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. This CX-9 is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated seats and a heated steering wheel, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the CX-9 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.